Hi everyone and welcome to my braid out tutorial. Just wanted to show you guys how I'm doing my braid outs right now. On this video I had just freshly washed my hair and usually I have to be kind of really careful with my wet hair since it's a little heavier, just trying to make sure not to put any additional pressure or tension on my scalp since I'm still kind of working through my alopecia situation. And here I am applying clobetasol propionate and also liquid metformin. Those are my current prescriptions from my dermatologist to treat my alopecia. So it's my little tackle box with all my little goodies for my hair, my little rubber bands for my braiding and banding days, my Most Def texture foam, which is what I use for this look. So I'm a bit of a logical person. So when it came to this hairstyle, I wanted to come up with a little formula that worked for me. So I separated my hair into two separate parts, as you can see. And I used one of my larger hair bands to just kind of, get the top part of my hair out the way for a minute. And then I used another large hairband to kind of put the bottom half into one big section so that I could kind of keep that to itself so that I could work on braiding and banding. Sorry, not braiding and banding because I just miss it and love it so much, right? But doing the braid out on the top part of my hair. Since I just made it past shoulder length, I don't want to have a full braid out on my head. I want to show off my length. I want to show off every inch I have. So with that top half, I'm separating it into three sections. And this is the bottom third that I just partitioned out. And so for each section, for this third, I'm going to use the Most Def, about 2 or 3 squirts, and then I'm gonna have one braid. I'll have a total of 5 for this section. There's 1 in the center and then 2 on each side. And the reason I'm doing that is so that my hair can kind of be evenly distributed throughout, my scalp, so that it'll be a little more of a uniform appearance when I actually take the braids out the next day. So I don't braid very tight. I don't braid very close to my scalp because of my alopecia. I'm always trying to make sure that I'm not irritating my scalp. And then I braid down as far as I can, and I use my little braid and band, rubber bands, to secure the bottom. And then I kind of pull the band down as far as I can. So that's my first 5. And then I'm going to repeat the same process again. So the rest of the hair that's out, I'm going to separate that into halves. And then for me, this is technically the second third of the top portion. That's just my brain. So helps me feel like I'm on track. So I'm kind of evenly, as much as I can, just kind of, it's not completely even, but you get the idea. Kind of getting that very top section out the way again, and then creating another 5 braids. So I have a total of 10 at this point. All right, and then I'm going to do that very top section again, making sure that my middle part is even. And just so proud of my scalp and all of the progress that I've made over this past year, but I'm still trying to be very careful. And those are my last 5 braids right there. So at this point, I take the bottom band off so that that bottom half can just be loose and free. And I'm just gonna go about my business at this point because this was a Saturday, and just live my life on a Saturday. Usually I throw on a hat because who wants to walk around looking like that, right? It'd be just stares and everything. Like, what is her hair doing? But no, I usually throw on the hat that I've featured in my videos quite a few times. And I had some chores to do around the house, so I did a little bit of cleaning and I did a little bit of cooking, which is what I usually do on Saturdays. It's a lovely slow day for me, and the day turned into night. And I got tired. My husband ended up taking the kids to the mall. I didn't know it when I was filming, but I ended up coming out with a nasty cold this past week, so it was starting to come down on me because all of a sudden I had no energy. You might still hear it in my voice. Went to sleep, woke up the next day, Sunday, and it's time to get ready for church. So I try to get up earlier than everyone else so that I can have time to really get myself together the way I like. So here I am, just finishing my makeup, which I actually just uploaded my latest makeup look. So make sure to check out for that video. Putting the finishing touches there and taking my sleeping cap off so you can kind of see what it looks like when I take it down. It's completely dry at this point. So I do have that bottom half that's loose, and then I'm going to start taking these braids down. I like to start in the back so that I can slowly unravel, being very delicate again with my hair, using my fingers to kind of like comb through my locks, so to speak, and making sure that my hair is evenly dispersed in the section that it's growing in, taking my time with the sides also. And here you can see again how I try to very carefully unravel my braid, and it's not too close to my scalp, so it's not irritating my scalp, which is something that I've learned not to do because my scalp will let me know if it's not happy. So I repeated that, took down all 15 braids, and slowly kind of loosely finger comb through my hair. And here I am just kind of playing with it. You might have to play with it a little bit to get it exactly how you want it, to make sure that the top half is kind of blended with the bottom half, since it's not a complete braid out, but more so like a partial braid out. So that's kind of what I'm doing here, just making sure that all of the hair is kind of blended together, so that it has more so of the look that I was looking for, which was just kind of like a carefree kind of wave to the hair that kind of blended into straightness at the bottom, because I didn't want to lose any of my length, which I'm so happy that I did not, because I want to show off every inch I got right now. So I'm not trying to lose any inches in a braid out. So I'm still kind of playing with it a little bit more here. I got some pieces sticking out. I'm going to fix that in a second. But again, I'm getting ready to go to church. So I'm finishing, just putting on my jacket, and got them two little braids sticking out over there. I don't know what they were doing. Those two little locks, little rebellious locks. We're going to fix those. All right. Playing a little bit more, and this is the look. I have a lot of layers in my hair, so it's difficult to get all of my locks in the braid out, but I'm continuing to figure this out as my hair grows. And here I am outside. Nice sunny day in Dallas, which we get so many sunny days. I love this partial braid out. It's perfect for my shoulder length sister locks. Let me know what you think about it in the comments. Take care. Thanks for watching. Bye.